Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Khairi Amir bin Abdullah, nombor metri AN190144. Now I will present about our company background. Our company name is KSL Consultants Sendirian Berhad, which is located at level 8 Yayasan Syed Kecil Jalan Kapas 59100 Kuala Lumpur, Federal Territory of Kuala Lumpur. Our company's objective is to green both new and existing buildings in Malaysia by promoting sustainability through every project. Next is our mission. The first one is to offer technologically innovative designs and solutions. Second one is to pursue the highest level of work quality and service excellence in our field with optimal uses of resources. And next, our company's main words is we use the renewable energy such as solar energy, geothermal energy, and grey water in all of our buildings and constructions. We also use the energy, water, and other resources efficiently. And the last one is we are dedicated to use materials that are non-toxic, ethical, and sustainable in all of our projects. Next, I will present about the topics that we choose for this project, which is Capital Asset Pricing Model (CAPM). CAPM is a model that describes the relationship between risk and expected return that is used in the pricing of risky assets. CAPM also helps investors to calculate investment risk and also evaluate portfolio's rate of return. The general idea behind CAPM is that investors need to be compensated in three ways, which is time, value of money, and risk. The beta of a potential investment is a measure of how much risk the investment will add to a portfolio that looks like the market. And lastly, the goal of the CAPM formula is to evaluate whether a stock is fairly valued when its risk and the time value of money are compared to its expected return. Next, I will explain about the CAPM formula. The linear relationship between the return required on an investment, whether in stock market, securities, or in business operations, and its systematic risk is represented by the CAPM formula. Formula is ERI equal to RF plus beta I in bracket ERN minus RF. ERI is the return required on financial asset I. RF is the risk-free rate of return. Beta I is the beta value for financial asset I, and ERM is the average return on the capital market. Next, I will present about the advantages of CAPM. The first one is CAPM is superior to the WACC in providing discount rates for use in investment appraisal. Second one, CAPM generates a theoretically derived relationship between required return and systematic risk, which has been subject to frequent empirical research and testing. And the last one is CAPM considers only systematic risk, which reflect a reality in which most investors have diversified portfolios from which unsystematic risk has been essentially eliminated. The last subtopic is the disadvantages of CAPM. CAPM model is based on too many assumptions, which many criticize as unrealistic. Therefore, it may not provide the correct results. The second disadvantage is there are four major assumptions of CAPM, which is that investors can borrow and lend funds at a risk-free rate. This assumption is unrealistic for the real world we live. And the last disadvantage is the problem may arise in using the CAPM to calculate a project-specific discount rate. Generally, equity beta and portfolio investment beta are different. Therefore, the company needs to find a proxy beta for the project, which is difficult and it can affect the reliability of the outcome. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello doctor, my name is Sharina Senanainit. I will present about project financings. Project finance is the funding of long-term projects such as public infrastructure or services, industrial projects and other using a specified financial structure. Finances can be a mix of debt and equity. The project cash flow allows debt repayments and loan and equity payback. Next, the project financial structure is based on future cash flow to repay project funds. Other than that, the project assets or rights serve as collateral for the financings. Government or businesses favor project financing for long-term projects or joint venture or collaborations. Next, our company proposing to build a supermarket building in a new township named Green Jet Supermarket. Green Jet Supermarket is a single-story building and designed with 64,500 square feet floor space. Moreover, the duration to construct Green Jet Supermarket approximately in 12 months, and it was built with a concrete by mixing binding material of cement, sand, and aggregate or quarry gravel. Green Jet Supermarket also built in green building concepts such as energy efficiency, renewable energy, indoor air quality, and water efficiency. Next, as for our project financing, the project initial cost was given 1,500,000. First of all, the expenses and capitalization for Green Jet Supermarket start with management cost, which is construction contractor, architect, senior site engineer, construction supervisor. The total management costs are 489,182 ringgit. For machine and tools are bulk carton machine, welding set, 50 kVA generator set, site office, and scaffolding. The total machine and tools costs are 40,500 ringgit. Besides, the total labor costs for general worker are 454,656 ringgit and 96 cents. The cost of raw material is estimated by 64,500 square feet area for the supermarket. Raw material are brick, quarry gravel, sand, cement, steel, paint, and tiles. The total cost of raw material are 311,387.50 cents. Lastly, the cost of maintenance in all aspects are 40,000 ringgit. So we can conclude that the overall cost of expenses and capitalization for Green Jet Supermarket are 1,335,726.46 cents. So the total cost of overall expenses and capitalization was close to the additional capital financing given 1,500,000 ringgit. Our company have designed environmental sustainability in Green Jet Supermarket, such as energy efficiency, indoor air quality, and renewable energy. First of all, our company has chosen LED light bulbs in energy efficiency. LED light bulb generate the same amount of light as incandescent light bulb while consuming 75 to 80% less electricity. As energy production usually produces pollution and greenhouse gases, enhancing the energy efficiency of some technology has the potential to drastically reduce energy consumption and consequently reduce emission from energy sector. Secondly, our company chose solar photovoltaic panel as renewable energy. Solar photovoltaic panels is an active solar energy system that is installed on the roof or on the building exterior, convert solar energy to electricity. They can be composed of a variety of materials which alter their efficiency, such as new thin film flexible solar cells that are inexpensive and non-toxic. Solar energy gives energy independence and once installed, free and clean energy. Next, we choose mechanical ventilation for indoor air quality. As an indoor air quality control strategy, improved ventilation means increasing the amount of ventilation and enhancing the quality of ventilation. Mechanical ventilation allows for this. Mechanical ventilation, as opposed to natural ventilation such as open window, is a whole house or home building solution. It is an add-on system upgrade that is installed directly into a central HVAC system, and a chemical ventilation system produces fresh filtered air by using existing duct or installing new ducts. Lastly, for the conclusion in our project, our company has applied Capital Asset Pricing Model (CAPM) in order conducting the funding report for our construction building. The Capital Asset Pricing Model (CAPM) analyzes if an investment is appropriately priced. However, the CAPM ideas may help us grasp the relationship between expected returns and risks, which can help us improve our decision-making process when selecting whether to add an investment to our fund. The application of environmentally friendly energy-saving technology in green buildings should extend across the whole process of building designs, construction, and uses, allowing green energy-saving technologies to optimize their efficiency in construction. That's all from our group. Thank you, Dr. for watching.